Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. It is continuation series on ABAP debugging for functional consultants. One of our subscriber requested to publish video on how to skip the error message or information message from ABAP end. I mean in the debug mode. Okay, I'm going to create one order now. BA01. So sold to customer, ship to customer, and if I click enter, and if you see here, I'm getting one information message saying that enter PO number. Suppose if I want to skip this message, I don't want to see this message in the screen, then first we should understand what is the application area and message number for this message. Just double click here and you see application area is VU and message number is 001. Or else if you click this tool icon, you see the same thing. Application area VU, message number is 001. Okay, let me try to create order one more time. So sold to customer. So if I enter now, I will get one window. After that, I will get that information message. So this is the right time to apply the breakpoint. Let me do it one more time. So to shift to. But don't click enter now. Just apply breakpoint now. Now you click enter. So now what we will do, we will apply breakpoint on the application area and message number. Go to the menu breakpoints at message. Application area is nothing but application ID here. So VU is the application area and message number is 001. Click enter now. And if you click F8, so it is asking us to enter the loading unloading point. Just select any one of here. And now you see here the debugger is still working and this is the message that is getting displayed now. This is the warning or information message that we are seeing now, but as of now this is a warning message only. See W here. W means warning message and field. Hmm. Yeah, and if you see this code, so there are two ways that we can skip displaying this message. One way is to skip this particular statement by using the go to statement. I have already published one video on what's the intention or purpose of using the go to statement. The go to statement can be used in two ways with shortcut shift plus F12 or in the menu if you use this option go to statement. So what it will do is that first we should put a cursor on the next statement where we want to go. If I put cursor here, see cursor here now, the black line, right? And if I go here and click go to statement or shift F12 keyboard, okay? If I click this, see now it won't execute this one. That means we're skipping this and go to the next line where we are keeping the cursor. Okay, and if I want to skip this one also means put a cursor here. Again, go to debugger, the menu, and click go to statement. So in a way, we can skip these statements. And if I click F8, I don't see the message enter PO number. So this is one way that we can skip it. Other way is that, okay, this is one way. Other way is that you see here, so this block of statement written inside this if statement. There is a one if statement written in the line number 85. Okay, so inside this if statement only, inside this end if and if statement only, this message is getting triggered, right? So what we can do, again, we will go to use the go to statement here, debugger go to statement. So in which cases it will go inside, it will go inside this piece of code whenever say is not equal to 0 and mrs kz equal to x. So what we can do here, we can simply make s equal to 0. Okay, and if I click F5 now, it won't go inside. F5, see, it came out completely. It didn't go inside this. If it didn't go inside, it won't trigger this statement to display the message. Okay, if I click F8 now, I don't see the message now. See, I don't get the message now. But warning or information message both are just for an soft message only. Soft message means if you click enter after you getting the info or warning message, it will go to next level. It won't stop there. But if it is an error message, then you will get a hard lock. Hard lock means until unless you fix that error, you can't do any other activities in that same order screen. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, I'm going to add one more material now. 15F35A. I'm adding the quantity now. F8. See, I'm getting that warning message. If I click enter, it will disappear now. But I'm getting different error. It's the error. See, it's a red one. It's the error now. It's saying that this material is not available in the sales arc distribution channel combination. It's a wrong material. So we are creating this order with the combination of 100 sales arc and distribution channel as 10, but this material is not extended to this sales arc and distribution channel. That's the error. That's the meaning for this error. So it's a hard lock. So we can't do anything now. So everything is grayed out except this line. Everything is grayed out. We can't do anything here. It will keep on throw the error again and again. It's a hard lock for us. So error means hard lock. Info or warning message means soft lock. Okay, now let's see how to skip this error message now. Same thing. Double click on this error and application area is V1. Message number is 382. So what I will do, I will add the breakpoint, and if I click enter, go to the breakpoints in the menu, breakpoint set message. So application area is V1 and the number is 382. Click enter now. And if I click F8, see here the error is coming from. You see here in our previous message that is W there. W001 is there. W means warning. Here it is E means error. It's an ABAP standard coding concept. So it's error now. So if I click F8 now, this error will be displayed there. Same thing. How can I skip it? Simple. So what I will do, I will put a cursor here, line number 121, and I will go to the menu debugger and use the go to statement here. Shift plus F12. Now if I click F8, that error will be bypassed, skipped. Let me click F8 now. See, that error is gone. Now I'm getting different error. That's okay, but our intention of skipping that error is gone now. But I'm getting different error now. This time the error is relevant to item category is missing for this combination. Okay, yeah. So this is how we should skip the info warning message and error messages. Most of the times we will use this small technique to understand that issue and what will happen if we skip that error before we do the actual coding to fix that issue. Thanks everyone. We'll meet in the next video.